They are here to make solemn promises to each other.
Itay, I was thinking overnight and was thinking really hard on what to give you today. The perfect gift, the gift you deserve. But as of today, I can't afford any of your gift list. Adyaw lam ko bala ka kaya I will give you the most expensive gift that every man can have. My faithful heart.
Inay, ibayo ako na di malupsan ang gift na nadawat nim 3 years ago, si Drew. Pero unta ma-appreciate nim
na magustuhan mo sa binat gift ko man. Kay gikan nini sa pila ka oras na danlaw na OT sa office.
Marlon, have you come here of your own free will to bind yourself forever to this woman as your wife?
Yes, Father.
How many times will you let
Baby, have you come here of your own free will to bind yourself forever to this man as your husband?
Yes, Father.
if I let you save my life or if I'll drown?
Amo na inay, isa sa gusto ko may tubo sa ato na makasal ka sa simbahan. Promise ko ikaw lang hangtod sa hangtod. Naya na hanapon pa. Promise ko dili na gubon ini at gamay na pamilya. Buorat ka. Ikaw ako, Andrew, unta madugangan pa. Baji na sab, I love you. Tay. Ay, nakaila ko dahil.
You have me since our conversation overflowed. Corridors and two piece spicy chicken wings. You have me always. Even though wayan takaw over simple things. Palabjara kan please. Kaya mawaya raja pagkasilam. Promise, Aura. Ikaw ra gyapon. Ikaw ra permi. I love you, Itay. Salamat sa tanan.